10 ways you can make £1 million in a year. We are sharing 10 strategies that can help you. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to take control of your financial future? Making £1 million in a year may seem like a daunting goal, but it's not impossible. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 strategies that can help you generate significant income and reach your financial goals. Before we move further, if you like the content we share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. From starting a high-demand business to investing in real estate and stocks, we'll be covering a range of options that can help you turn your financial dreams into a reality. Start a high-demand business. Identify a product or service that is in high demand and fill that need with a business of your own. This could be a physical product, such as a new type of gadget or appliance, or a service, such as a new type of fitness program or online course. Invest in real estate, buy properties, either to flip or to rent out, generate income through rental payments, property value appreciation. Invest in stocks. Carefully research and select high-performing stocks and hold onto them for the long term. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Sell a business. If you already own a successful business, consider selling it for a profit. Invest in cryptocurrency. Carefully research and invest in promising cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and watch their value appreciate over time. Create and sell a popular product or service. Develop and market a product or service that meets a need or solves a problem for consumers. Create and sell a popular app. Develop a successful mobile app that meets a need or solves a problem for users and generate income through downloads or in-app purchases. Generate passive income. Invest in assets that generate income without requiring constant effort, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or peer-to-peer lending. Start a lucrative blog or YouTube channel. Create and share valuable content on a popular blog or YouTube channel and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or product sales. Invest in a franchise. Purchase a franchise opportunity and leverage the established brand and business model to generate income. It's important to note that making £1 million in a year will require hard work, dedication, and a good deal of luck. These strategies are meant to serve as potential ideas for generating income. But it's up to you to do the research and make informed decisions about what will work best for you and your goals. Clear House Accountants are specialist business advisors who bring a wealth of expertise and help startups and established businesses optimize their operations to grow faster. If you are looking for professional guidance, give us a call today. Sit back and relax while we do all the complicated work for you.